Hi, my name is Liel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a plant-based cheesecake using just this blender. It's healthy, delicious, and no bake. I'm recording my first YouTube video right now. What is this unicorn cheesecake? That's crazy! I gotta go. The crust. Almonds, oats, chia seeds, hemp hearts, flax seeds, dates, sea salt. For the filling, cashews, coconut oil, coconut milk, lemon juice, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and this one's gonna be blue because I'm using Blue Magic. Blue Magic is a superfood that has 65 billion minerals and vitamins. It's good for you. Put all of the crust ingredients into your container. Almonds, oats, a mixture of chia seeds, hemp hearts, and flax seeds. Dates with the pits removed. And some sea salt. Secure the lid. Make sure that you start on low speed. Use the tamper to help push the ingredients down into the blade. And I'm going to increase to medium speed to ensure a grainy crust. Now that our crust is complete, I am actually going to use this blade scraper to make sure to get everything out from underneath the blades. But you don't want to stick a fork in your blender, maybe a narrow head spatula. We're going to pour that into our 9-inch lined baking pan with parchment paper. At this point, I like to use a rubber glove just to pat down everything. And it looks a little something like this. This cheesecake is actually heading into the freezer later, so I lined it with parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now that our crust is done, moving along to the filling. I'm going to start off with using cashews that have been soaked, coconut milk, coconut oil, maple syrup, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and of course, Blue Magic. This is where the magic happens. Secure the lid. Once again, always make sure to start off on a low speed. Slowly increase all the way to high speed. And the next step is to pour your filling over your crust. My garnish game is strong, so for this, I'm actually going to garnish it with some coconut, chia seeds, and blueberries. Just sprinkle them on. Some frozen blueberries for the win. The next step now is to pop this in the freezer, and in 3 hours, it'll be ready. 3 hours later, how beautiful is this cheesecake? All you have to do is let it thaw for 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. This is so good. Please subscribe for more easy, healthy, delicious recipes. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below.